Good morning, good day, good evening. Uh, this is my vid. I'm shooting this video or filming myself because I wanted to reach out to you guys regarding this anxiety that I have inside, which caused me a lot. And I hope you can comment down below if you have suggestions or um, your thoughts, and hope I can also inspire at some point for on someone. um, I will talk about fear. As a person or as an individual, I do have a lot of fears. Fear of getting left out, fear of uh, not finding purpose on something or on anything. I fear that what if I get in there, I can do something, or I can make an impact on anything or to anyone. And this fear is bringing my thoughts, my future down at some point. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung paano magsasalita sa video kasi takot nga ako. Takot ako na magsalita kasi takot akong hindi maintindihan, takot akong walang makaintindi. But then I'm still trying to uh, help people na ang ilang beses na to. I have fears, but still I try to make amends and search for reasons for me to grow. Minsan nakalimutan ko na kung meron ba akong purpose, ano ba yung purpose ko. By the way, I'm married and I have 3 kids. Nasa high school silang lahat. So, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko ba or kakayanin ko ba. But then, because of my children, sila lang yung purpose ko. Pero when I'm getting into the situation where I can control, especially we really can control other people, how they think and how the thoughts are running in their minds, and even on how they speak. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Maybe I lost the count kung paano at kung ilang beses ako umiyak at nag-struggle. Pero sana may balik tayo nung purpose natin, nung reasons natin why we need to come back and be a whole again and start a new journey. Hindi ko alam kung may pinuntahan to, pero I know at some point medyo nonsense, pero I hope we can build ourselves back and trust ourselves again and make ourselves better each day and on each situation. Yun lang. Thank you.